is the enemy.
We're ignoring this?
But don't worry, Sheldon's thinking inside the box.
What's with the Halloween costume?
In case of a breach.
New Young Sheldon, CBS Next Thursday.
Yeah.